Good morning, children. For today's assignments, you are going to require the capital letters book, My Picture Dictionary and Rhyme Time. Okay, which books do we need? Capital letters, My Picture Dictionary, Rhyme Time. Now we'll start with Rhyme Time. Okay, open the book and what do you see in the first page? Jingle bells. Okay, who do you see in the picture? Who is this? This is Santa Claus. Yes, Santa Claus during Christmas brings lot of presents to children. And when he's coming, this is the song they usually sing during Christmas. Shall we learn a few lines from that? Repeat after me, okay? Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Are you all repeating? Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride a one-horse open sleigh. Do you know what sleigh means? See, sleigh is this kind of a transport, like it's a small boat which is used to travel in snow. Okay, you can't ride a car in the snow, right? So in olden days they used a sleigh like this. Shall we sing now? Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Okay, children, practice this rhyme every day. Now we will go to capital letters book and turn to page 8. Okay, page 8 has the standing lines which we practiced earlier. What are these lines called as? Standing lines. How do you draw the standing line? From up to down, you need to join the dots here. Okay, from top to bottom. See, when it is raining, how do the raindrops come? Do they come sideways? Do they come from bottom to top? No, the raindrops come from top to bottom. See, it is raining here and you need to draw how the raindrops fall. How do the raindrops fall? Top to bottom. Okay, you need to join all the dots and finish all the strokes here. Once you finish this, you will go to this page, and this page also has some practice strokes for you. This is also standing lines, but now you're drawing between two pink lines. Do you see the pink lines here? You're going to join the dots from the top pink line to the bottom pink line like this. Okay, make sure your pencil is always sharp and you start from top left and then move towards here and then go to the next line. Okay, all the dots have to be joined neatly and you need to complete this page. Once you complete the strokes, you will take the picture dictionary books and then read out all the names of fruits. Okay, the names of fruits is sent in another video. You can watch that. Okay, children, thank you. Bye bye.